here's the folder we have. So let's talk about the folder structure. So looking at the app right now, so the folder we added were at the root directory of our app was this asset folder, which has two folder inside it, and one of the folder is images folder, and this images folder contains all the images we are using in the app. And then we have this folder called I18N. So basically what this stands for is for translation, and yeah, basically for translation. So if we want to do translations and other stuff, so we can do stuff on this folder. Going over to fonts folder, so this is another folder we added, and basically what's in here is the font we are using in the app. So we added all the fonts here, and going down to the lib folder, and you can see the folder structure. You can see we have the auth. So basically here is where we do everything concerning authentication, and the authentication logic will basically be in here, and then presentation screen for the authentication will be in here. That's basically the auth screen, auth login screen, sign up screen, password recovery screen will all be inside this presentation here, and their logic will be in here. So closing out off, we have the binding folder. So basically this is for getX binding, so where we can like bind all our controllers to screens. So here is the binding folder for that. And then moving out from there, going over to core folder. So there in the core folder, there's other folder we can still create more, but right now we have the theme folder where we have everything concerning the theming of the app colors, the brand images we are using in the app, the custom tests, so the app colors. Talk about this. Let me expand this more so you can. So the app colors, these are the app colors, the brand images. So these are the brand images we are using for the app. So the reason why we are doing this is kind of easy for us to know where things are. And let's say in the future we want to change the image for this first screen on the onboarding section. So we can know the first screen image. This is the first screen image. Okay, yeah, so this is the first screen image, which is screen 1 img. So this is the image. So we can decide to change this. We don't need to touch anywhere in our code. We don't need to do anything in our code. Just this image to the image we want, and the image will be changed here. So that's the reason for this. Moving off from here, we go to the custom tests. So basically all the hard-coded tests we'll be using in the app. So we are moving everything over here. So it will be easy for us to kind of change stuff. And also if you want to do some stuff like translation and internationalization, we can do it here. And we have the mental health theme. So that, yes, everything concerning our theme for the app. So we did everything here. So we have the typography theme. So also the same here. We can know where to change stuff and where to add stuff. Closing this off, then we over here in the home screen for our home page, but now it's still empty. The welcome screen, which is this, and the presentation folder, this, and the logic file, which is this, and onboard, which is what we are working on right now, the presentation, onboarding screen, the logic, which is this, So closing that off. And the widget for our onboarding screen, which is the widgets, this one here. So we have the routes folder, kind of like everything concerning our routing in the app. We have it here, and then UI. So the UI folder is basically everything like widget that's being used around the app, like being used multiple places. We can use add them here. And we have the utility folder where we have the utility functions that will be helping us to do some stuff in the app. So we have them here. And then we have our main.dat, the entry point for our app, which is here. And I think that's it for now. Let's get this back to lights. Team, that team, method. So back to that. Okay, that was an issue. So the mental health team light, dark team. So let's see why the tests are not showing up properly. So we can go over to the teaming over here. Dark team should have. Okay. Okay, I think we are now a place where we might be making this error. So we have the build light team, which is this for building the light team of the app, build light team, and build dark team. And over here for the test team, we are still using the mental health test team dark, which is wrong. So we should be using mental health test team light. So copy this back over here. paste that in here. Yeah, so that's for the light mode. Yeah. So let's restart this. And yeah, it's working. So this. Black, white. Let's see this. Let's refresh our app. Okay, so we're not having an issue right now. So we are done with theme, and I'm glad that we just finished that.